Let's explore this expanding terms like this a bit further. There's another shortcut we can learn. If we're alert enough to see that we have the sum and the difference of the same term, like in this one, 4 add A, 4 subtract A, or this one, or this one, or this one, there's a shortcut we can use. Let's see whether we can discover that. Let's think about doing it the long way, using FOIL. So first times the first, A times A is A squared. Outer, A times negative B, well, a positive times a negative is negative, and it's going to be AB. Inners, positive B times A is positive BA. And last, positive A times negative B. Positive times a negative is negative. B times B is B squared. So there it is. Now, what we notice is that we have the subtraction of an AB and really the addition of an AB. So altogether, does nothing. Negative AB plus BA is 0. So that term always disappears. So in the end, when we expand something where an addition and subtraction of the same thing, we're going to get A squared and then take B squared. Summarising that, this is what we do. When we're expanding something like this, the sum and the difference of the same term, the answer is simply the first multiplied together, the first terms multiplied together, then the last terms multiplied together. Positive B times negative B is negative B squared. So we could write it like that. First, then last. First multiplied by the first, then the last multiplied by the last gives us the expansion. Let's see how that works in practice. I notice I have the sum and the difference of the same term. Shortcut. Write down the answer. First times the first is x times x, which is x squared. Last times the last, negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9, or subtract 9. Done. Finished. Likewise this one, we see the sum and the difference. First times the first is c times c squared. Last times the last, negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. Finished. Sum and difference of the same terms. So it's first times the first, 4 times 4, 16. Positive A times negative A is negative A squared. Expanded. Finished. And lastly, a little bit harder. Sum and the difference of the same terms. So the shortcut is first times the first, 2x times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x squared. Last times the last, positive 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, or subtract 9. And we're finished expanding. So there's a shortcut which saves you a little bit of time and perhaps means that you don't make an error in doing the expansion using FOIL. Hope that one helps you.